In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize multiple YouTube videos using NotebookLM. Let's dive in and explore how this tool can make your life easier, especially when dealing with large amounts of video content. First, let's open up your preferred web browser. Navigate to Google, which is our starting point for this journey. Once there, head over to the search bar and type in NotebookLM. This is the quickest way to find the official site. After you've entered your search query, you should see the NotebookLM website appear among the results. Click on the website to get started. Once you're on the NotebookLM site, you'll want to locate the option that says Try NotebookLM and give that a click. This will take you to the interface where all the summarization magic happens. Now, you're ready to create a new project. Find the button labeled Create New and click on it. This is where you'll start adding your sources, which, in this case, are YouTube videos that you want to summarize. Look for the Add Sources section. Here, you'll be given several options, but you'll want to scroll down until you find the link section. Once there, make sure to select YouTube as your source type. This selection is critical. Otherwise, the tool won't understand where to pull the data from. Next, open a new tab and head over to YouTube. Find the video you would like to summarize and copy the link from your browser's address bar. Switching back to the NotebookLM tab, paste this link into the appropriate field. Once you've pasted the link, an Insert option should appear. Click on Insert to upload the video into your project. After inserting your first video, you'll want to repeat the process for each additional video you wish to include. Go back to YouTube and copy the link of another video, then return to NotebookLM and paste that link as well. Clicking Insert again will add this second video to your project, just like before. Now that your videos are in place, it's time to ask NotebookLM for a summary. In the text field provided, type a prompt that clearly asks the platform what you need. For example, you might type, "Give me a combined summary of all the videos." This instruction lets the tool know exactly what you're looking for in the summaries. Finally, once you've entered your prompt, locate the Submit button and click it. NotebookLM will then process your request and provide a comprehensive summary of the videos you've chosen. This output will save you time and make it easier to digest large quantities of information from multiple videos. And that's it. You now have a summarized version of your chosen YouTube videos, thanks to the efficiency of NotebookLM. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident diving into the world of video summarization. Happy summarizing!